Deep fake news.
Yeah.
Basically, you can use a photo of anyone.
Did you just call this segment Deep Fake News?
Yeah.
Wow,
It's a
I
segment
didn't know
now.
we had a segment for that. Okay.
It's a research company, Samsung's research center in the UK. They basically developed an algorithm.
Well, we already covered this, didn't we?
No, this is more advanced.
Is it? They went further, this same group? Let's see.
So, we're watching a video of Einstein. It was a picture, and they animated him to use voice and also different facial movements.
This is the one where it references a database of similar faces. Will, I'm absolutely certain that we've covered this exact story before.
Well, it just came out, but
well, they're writing about it again because I'm positive we talked about this.
Yeah, we did, but this one is just it's more advanced because they're just using facial expressions from other people and just tying it to a certain image that you want animated with a voice.
So in this case, what you're saying is you plug in anybody's face.
Yep.
And then what? You dictate to it what the words are? Is this what they used for the Kardashian one that recently came out? Did you hear about that? She got it taken down off YouTube?
No.
Yeah, somebody put a clip of her on YouTube which had her basically dissing all her audience members, saying, I love manipulating you guys. This is so easy. I'm just printing money. Do you know what I'm saying? And people were upset because she was able to get it taken down immediately off YouTube, whereas other people of lesser prominence wouldn't be able to do so. So it's kind of a controversial subject, but in the video, she is taken down. But you can find it on other social media if you're looking for it. She's just standing there, kind of like calling. There it is. You can play it right there on Instagram. Do you have volume for it? I can get volume.
On TV.
I can get volume for it. I'm rich beyond my wildest dreams.
Man, it's so real.
And my fan base. I feel really blessed
Yeah.
because I genuinely love the process of manipulating people online for money.
Yeah, it's crazy, dude. It's really well done.
It's just scary because deep fakes are only going to get better.
Yeah, they are.
And faster.
Yeah, they are. I don't know.
More convincing.
I don't know exactly which technology they used in that particular example, but it's obviously the origin of deepfakes. When you first heard about it, the application was kind of rudimentary. It was like people didn't know what to do with it. But as you're seeing these types of fakes, like the last one that we just showcased, or your Einstein version of it here, is like, wow, man, this stuff could be powerful in an unexpected way, or maybe an expected way, where like they went too far in the Kardashian clip where she's like, I just really love manipulating you guys. But let's say it was slightly more subtle. You know, let's say it wasn't so obvious. She mentions something called Spectre Project. So people knew right away, like, something was off about it.
Right.
But, like, let's say it's just a little different from reality.
Yeah. And I think that's where it's going to go.
Let's just say she's promoting some product and the company can't afford to get actual Kardashian. So they just get her to say, hey, I really love Bob's Cosmetics.
Imagine like thousands of companies doing that. Then like,
how do you combat it? And then you just flood. Are we giving them ideas right now? Then you just flood Instagram, hit the discover page, right? Get a few key metrics going, get into the suggested engine, and now all of a sudden Bob's Cosmetics are everywhere. And by the time people figure out it's fake, maybe you already made your sales. It's wild. The consequences could be catastrophic here. Could be significant. And when you see someone like her, I don't know. I don't have it. Maybe they can. I don't have a version of me doing it yet. I don't know what that would feel like. I'll put the challenge out there. Deep fake me. All right. Get me to say something ridiculous. I mean, I say enough ridiculous things anyways. They don't have to. They could just take a clip from this show and they'd be all set.